Hi guys, this is Automobiles and this is the 2011 Hyundai Sonata. You can see it had a back impact which affected the boot and the back bumper and light. But right now you can see, so far we've fixed the boot and the back bumper. We've also bought the light, so you can see it's almost done. They just need to smoothen this place. And here too. And then the car will go for painting. That's all. It's very sweet right now. You can see. It's beautiful. Almost done. So, and the front bumper had a very minor tear over there. It's been fixed, and it would also be painted. And here, I can't really go very close because it's very bad out here. So that's it. The car is very clean. After painting, the car will be very set and good to go. Other cars are just over there. So guys, this is Automobiles. Let painter check it and tell me how much. Yeah. No, voila. There you go. Yeah, car is very clean and working perfectly. So it's clean. This is Automobiles, and we give you good cars. If you buy and you want to fix, we have very good mechanics and panel beaters who would fix your car for you. Alright guys, cheers. This is Automobiles, and it's still your friend Chibuike.